It is being reported that more than 20 countries have shown interest in adopting India's vaccination program portal for their own inoculation drives. India will now share the development story of CoWIN with 20 countries that have expressed interest. In a joint initiative by the Union Ministries of Health, External Affairs and the National Health Authority, a virtual CoWIN Global Conclave will be organized on June 30th. Several countries such as Vietnam, Peru, Mexico, Iraq, the Dominican Republic, Panama, Ukraine, Nigeria, the United Arab Emirates and Uganda have expressed interest in learning about CoWIN technology in order to run their own COVID vaccination programs. CoWIN, or the COVID Vaccine Intelligence Network, serves as the technological backbone of the country's mass vaccination campaign. India's COVID vaccination program was launched on January 16th with healthcare workers and frontline workers first. At that point, there was no online appointment system and lists were made of the beneficiaries. With the second phase of vaccination program, which expanded to a large number of people, digital enrollment was opened for the first time. With every phase of vaccination, developments were added to the CoWIN platform. The third phase was the most challenging, sources linked to the program say. With vaccinations being opened for all citizens above 18 years, which was 86.5 crores in total, the capacity of the CoWIN platform had to be made even more robust for the nearly 100 crore visits on the portal daily. CoWIN was also adapted for lingual diversity and made disability friendly. CoWIN became the fastest tech platform in the world to amass 20 crore registrations in a record 4 months, an official source had said. It has undergone many upgrades amid policy changes and will now serve as an example to 20 countries who want to adapt the same. What was your experience with the CoWIN platform? Let us know in the comments section.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.